Wake up. To stop sleeping and become alert. I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. Alarm. A sound or device that wakes you up. My alarm went off at 6:30. Snooze. To delay the alarm and sleep a little more. I hit the snooze button twice today. Stretch. To extend your arms or body after sleep. She stretched her arms after waking up. Yawn. To open your mouth wide when tired or sleepy. He yawned loudly in the morning. Get up. To rise from bed after sleeping. I got up and went straight to the shower. Make the bed. To arrange the blanket and pillows after sleeping. He always makes the bed before breakfast. Brush teeth. To clean your teeth using a toothbrush. I brush my teeth twice a day. Toothpaste. The cream you put on your brush to clean your teeth. This toothpaste has a minty flavor. Toothbrush. The brush you use to clean your teeth. My toothbrush has soft bristles. Floss. A string used to clean between your teeth. I use floss to clean between my teeth. Mouthwash. A liquid used to rinse and freshen your mouth. She rinsed her mouth with mouthwash. Shower. A bath where water comes from above like rain. I like taking a hot shower in the morning. Soap. A product used to wash your hands and body. He washed his hands with soap. Shampoo. A liquid used to clean your hair. She used shampoo to wash her hair. Conditioner. A cream used to make hair soft and smooth. I apply conditioner after shampooing. Moisturizer. Cream applied to keep skin soft. I use moisturizer every morning. Sunblock. A cream or lotion that protects your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Don't forget to apply sunblock before going to the beach. Shave. To remove hair from the face or body. He shaves every morning before work. Deodorant. Product to prevent body odor. I apply deodorant after my shower. Hair dryer. A device to dry your hair after showering. She used a hair dryer to dry her hair quickly. Towel. A cloth used to dry your body. He dried off with a clean towel. Dry. To remove water or moisture. Please dry your hands before eating. Comb. A tool used to untangle and style your hair. She combed her hair before school. Hairbrush. A brush used for grooming or styling hair. He packed his hairbrush for the trip. Get dressed. To put on your clothes. I get dressed quickly after my shower. Outfit. The clothes you choose to wear. She picked a nice outfit for the day. Uniform. Special clothes worn for school or work. He wore his school uniform neatly. Mirror. A glass surface that shows your reflection. I looked in the mirror before leaving. Breakfast. The first meal you eat in the morning. I had toast and eggs for breakfast. Cereal. A dry food usually eaten with milk. She poured cereal into a bowl. Toast. Slices of bread that are browned by heat. He made buttered toast and tea. Butter. A soft spread made from milk fat used on bread. She spread butter on her toast. Jam. A sweet fruit spread. I love strawberry jam on my bread. Eggs. A common breakfast food, often boiled or fried. He ate 2 boiled eggs in the morning. Peanut butter. A creamy spread made from peanuts. I love toast with peanut butter in the morning. Breakfast bar. A quick portable breakfast snack. I ate a breakfast bar on the way to work. Coffee machine. A device that brews coffee automatically. The coffee machine was already brewing. Oats, a healthy breakfast grain. I eat oats with honey every morning. Fry, to cook in hot oil. She fried an egg for breakfast. Boil, to cook in hot water. I boiled an egg for breakfast. Milk, a white liquid we drink or use in food. I drink a glass of milk every morning. Tea, a hot drink made by soaking leaves in water. My mom starts her day with tea. Coffee, a strong drink made from roasted beans. He needs coffee to wake up properly. Mug, a big cup usually used for hot drinks. She poured coffee into her favorite mug. Morning walk, a walk taken early in the day, usually for health. My grandfather goes for a morning walk every day. Jogging, running slowly for exercise. He goes jogging every morning at the park. Tracksuit, comfortable outfit for exercise. I wore my tracksuit for the gym. Mat, a soft mat used for yoga or stretching. I unrolled my yoga mat for some light stretches. Meditation, sitting quietly to relax or focus your mind. She starts her day with 10 minutes of meditation. Sunlight, natural light from the sun. I opened the curtains to let the sunlight in. Smoothie, a blended drink of fruit, milk, or yogurt. I made a banana smoothie after morning walk. Energy bar, a small bar with nuts, oats, and energy ingredients. I packed an energy bar for later. Protein shake, a blended drink high in protein. He had a protein shake after exercising. Granola, a mix of oats, nuts, and honey eaten with milk or yogurt. I added granola to my yogurt. Pack, to put things into a bag or container. I packed my lunch before leaving. Lunchbox, a container used to carry lunch. He grabbed his lunchbox before heading out. Water bottle, a bottle filled with water to drink later. She never forgets her water bottle. Keys, small metal objects used to open doors. I couldn't find my keys this morning. Wallet, a small case to carry money, cards, and ID. He put his wallet in his bag. Bag, a container used to carry items like a backpack or purse. She packed her bag for school. Shoes, footwear you wear to protect your feet. He tied his shoes before leaving. Socks, soft clothing worn on your feet inside shoes. I forgot to wear socks this morning. Jacket, a piece of clothing worn over your clothes to stay warm. It was chilly, so I wore a jacket. Umbrella, a tool used to protect yourself from rain. I grabbed an umbrella in case it rained. Door, the entrance or exit to a room or building. She closed the door gently behind her. Lock, a device used to keep doors secure. Don't forget to lock the front door. Leave, to go out or exit from a place. I leave the house at 8 a.m. every day. Catch, to get or grab something, like a bus or train. Hurry up, I have to catch the bus. Bus stop, a place where you wait for the bus. He waited at the bus stop in the morning. Commute, the daily travel to work or school. Her commute takes 30 minutes by train. Traffic, the cars and vehicles on the road, especially when it's crowded. The traffic was really heavy this morning. Signal, a light that controls vehicle and pedestrian movement. We waited at the red signal before crossing. Crosswalk. A marked area for people to cross the street. Use the crosswalk when you cross the road. Car. A common vehicle for traveling. I got into the car and started the engine. Bike. A two-wheeled vehicle you pedal. He rode his bike to school. Helmet. A hard hat that protects your head while biking or riding. Don't forget to wear your helmet. School. A place where students go to learn. She reaches school by 8:30 a.m. Office. A place where people work. He left home early to reach the office on time. Attend. To be present at a place or event. I attend all my morning classes. Teacher. A person who teaches students. Our teacher greeted us with a smile. Student. A person who learns at school or university. The students were excited for the class. Bell. A sound that signals the start or end of class. The school bell rang at 9 sharp. Laptop. A small, portable computer. I turned on my laptop to start working. Desk. A piece of furniture where you sit and work or study. She cleaned her desk before starting. Notebook. A book with blank or ruled pages for writing. I wrote the notes in my notebook. Pen. A tool used for writing with ink. He forgot his pen at home. Calendar. A chart showing days, weeks, and months. I checked the calendar for today's date. Clock. A device that shows the time. The clock on the wall showed 7:45. Watch. A small timepiece worn on the wrist. He glanced at his watch and rushed out. Schedule. A plan that shows when things will happen. I follow a daily morning schedule. Plan. A decision or idea about what to do. I made a plan for today's tasks. To-do list. A list of tasks you want to complete. I checked my to-do list before leaving. Focus. To pay attention to something. I try to focus on my tasks in the morning. Ready. Fully prepared or set to go. I was ready before the sun came up. Energized. Full of energy or feeling active. I felt energized after my morning walk. Motivated. Feeling eager to do something. A good breakfast keeps me motivated all day. Wave. To move your hand to say goodbye or hello. He waved to his friend at the bus stop. Goodbye. A word used when leaving someone. I said goodbye and headed out the door. See you. A casual way to say you'll meet again. See you later, she shouted from the window. Good morning. A greeting used early in the day. Good morning, everyone, said the teacher.